Hello, how can I help you today?
Hey, yesterday you guys called me and I was busy, so I just called back.
All right. Hi there. Thanks for calling back. May I have your name, please?
Yeah, I am Mohit.
Great to speak with you, Mohit. How can I assist you today? Are you interested in learning more about our 100% commission structure, or perhaps scheduling a quick call with one of our brokers?
What offer? Can you tell me?
Sure, Mohit. At Silvernest Realty, we offer a 100% commission structure, which means you get to keep all of your hard earned commission. Unlike traditional brokerages that take a percentage of your sales, we believe in rewarding your efforts fully. Additionally, we provide tools, resources, and support to help you grow your business without compromising your earnings. Would you like to dive deeper into the details, or should we schedule a quick 15-minute video call with one of our brokers to discuss this further?
Yeah, actually, let's schedule a video call.
That sounds great, Mohit. Before we proceed, could you share how many properties you've sold so far?
Maybe around 10.
Sure, Mohit. What day and time would work best for your video call?
Yeah, can we do it for 17th April at 5 p.m.?
Just to confirm, Mohit, did you mean the 17th of April at 5 p.m.?
Yes.
Perfect. Could you please provide your email address so I can confirm the booking? I'll spell it back to ensure accuracy.
Yeah, so my mail is mohitaiagency@gmail.com.
Thank you, Mohit. Let me confirm your email. mohitaiagencyygmailcom. Is that correct?
It is mohitaiagencyYT@gmail.com. Yeah, you are right actually.
Understood, Mohit. Let me proceed with scheduling your video call for April 17th at 5 p.m.
Yeah.
One moment, please. Your video call has been successfully scheduled for April 17th at 5 p.m. Mohit. You'll receive a calendar invite shortly with the meeting link in your email. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
Yeah, so can you tell me a bit more about your company?
Of course, Mohit. At Silvernest Realty, we're all about empowering real estate agents like you. Our standout feature is our 100% commission structure, which allows you to keep every dollar you earn from your sales. We don't take a cut, so your hard work truly pays off. In addition to that, we provide tools, resources, and support to help you grow your business. Whether it's marketing assistance, training, or access to the latest
Okay,
technology,
that's fine.
we're here.
Alright guys, so our meeting is booked. You can see I received the invitation from cal.com and it is booked for 17th April at 5 p.m. Yeah, and this is okay. So this is my email ID which is as a guest, and this is the organization email ID. Basically I use my agency account to book this event, and this is the meeting URL from where we can join the video call meeting. And that's not at all, we also receive the lead list here in our Google Sheet. So you can see this is my name, my email ID, my phone number, and how many properties I have sold. And this is the status, like the appointment has been scheduled for 17th at 5 p.m. This is the transcripts, the summary, and the recording URL. And this is our make.com scenario, which is used to capture the lead from our Retell AI, and then it is capturing the lead in our Google Sheet. Alright guys, so now we have just seen a demo of an AI voice agent for real estate recruitment, and this one is built for inbound calls. So basically in my last video I show you the outbound agent for real estate recruitment, which is going to call the leads one by one, and it is going to book the appointment with the interested agents. So sometimes what happen, all of the agents are not available, or then the outbound voice agent is going to leave the voicemail for them, and once they are going to read the voicemail, if they are interested, so they are going to call back, and then we are going to use our inbound voice agent for that. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your own inbound voice agent for your company. And the reason why you should implement this AI voice agent into your business, because once you are going to do that, you don't have to receive any call or not even make any call, because real estate companies companies always want more brokers, or we can say more agent, because they want to sell more properties. So what these agents gonna do, these agents are going to tell them about the offer that the company is offering, and if the agent is interested, then they can just schedule a video call with one of their agent from the company. Well, we are doing the recruitment part fully automated with outbound and inbound voice agent, but in this video I'm gonna only show you how to build an inbound voice agent, because I have already show you how to build an outbound voice agent. That was my last video. If you want to know how to build the outbound voice agent, then just click on the I button, then you can watch that video. Anyway, let's start building this agent. But before that, let me introduce myself. I am Mohit, founder of Chrono AI, my own AI automation agency where I help businesses to grow their business with the help of AI automation. Either it can be a chatbot or a voice agent. So if you want to work with me, then in the description there is my website link. From there you can just book a free call with me, and then we can discuss how we are going to integrate these AI agents into your system. So if you want me to build this agent for your business, then just book a free call with me and then we can discuss it. Now without wasting any further time, let's start building this. So the first thing is that we have to use three platforms. Number one is Retell AI, and the second one is make.com, and the last one is cal.com to book the appointment. So here we are in our Retell AI. If you don't have any account in Retell AI, then in the description there is sign up link for Retell AI. From there you can just sign up for free, and once you're gonna sign up, you will see a dashboard like this one, and this is Retell AI, and there are a bunch of features on the left hand side. Well, I have already explained this feature in my lots of videos, so in this video I'm gonna make things a little bit faster. So this is the knowledge base section. From here we can create our knowledge base, not create, actually we can upload our knowledge base. So just click on the plus icon, then name it whatever you want to, and you can use your website, your document as a knowledge base. And knowledge base is nothing, it's just a brain of our AI voice agent. So the next thing is a phone number. From here you can connect your phone number from Tulio, or you can also buy a phone number from retail. Then this is batch call, which is used for outbound calls, and this is call history. From here you can see all of the calls detail, summary, transcript and everything. From here you can analyze your agent. Then this is the agent section. From here we are going to create our agent. By the way, if you are downloading the template of this agent from my resources, the link is in the description. From there you can just download the whole template, and if you are downloading it, then you can see there is button which is for import. So all you need to do is just click on the import button, then select the file and save it, and once you are gonna do that, you will have the whole agent like this one, real estate recruitment inbound agent. But if you're creating a whole new agent totally from scratch, then click on the create an agent button and select multi-prompt agent. And once you're gonna do that, select it, build it from blank. So just like this one, and then you are gonna have your own agent. And once you're going to create your agent, you are gonna see something like this, and this is our system prompt, and I will explain the system prompt later. From here you can change the agent name, so just click on the edit button and change the name. This is our agent ID, which is required for outbound calls, and this is the pricing of the agent, which is 12 cents per minute. So this one will include 11 labs voice, chat GPT model, and also the knowledge base. And this is the latency of our agent, which is 1.3 second. So this is our provider, which is GPT-4o, which is costing us 0.05, basically 5 cents per minute, and this is pretty good. 5 cents per minute is good for GPT-4o, which actually GPT-4o kind of better compared to other. Then the next thing is the voice. From here you can select a voice. So right now I'm using Kate voice from 11 labs. You can select it, either Play HD voice, OpenAI voice, whatever voice you prefer, you can listen it from here and then use voice. Okay, then this is a setting. I am using the 11 labs, this one multi-language v2 version. Actually it is the highest quality, that's why I'm using this one. Then from here you can change the language. It is right now on English US, so if you want it on different language, just change it from here. And this is a functions. We are using end call function to end the call with the user, and transfer call function to transfer the call. And from here we can select the knowledge base, but first we need to upload our knowledge base from the dashboard. Then this is speech setting. We can select the background sound from here, interruption sensitivity, responsiveness. Set this one on yes and this one on 1. And yeah, and this one is optimized for accuracy, so it will work better. Enable both of these things. Call settings, you can change this one with 1 minute and call on silence, and this one is max call duration, let it be on 8 minutes. And this is a post call analysis, and this is important. We are using this thing to send the data from our call to our Google Sheet. So first thing is interested or not. This one is to identify that the agent is interested or not. Then our next thing is interested agent detail. Basically this is the status that they have booked the appointment or not. And this one is the agent name, and this is the agent phone number, and this is the property that they have sold. So this is the system prompt. By the way, you can test your agent from this site. You can either test it as a voice or as a chatbot. So if you want to test it as a LLM, so you can just click on the test LLM button, and if you want it as a voice, then just click on the test button. And this one is simulation. Basically, if you don't want to test it manually, you want AI to test it, then just click on the simulation button, and then AI is going to test the agent for you, and then it will let you know what are the things that you need to change. Then this is a system prompt, which is one of the important thing. But before that, let me tell you this. So this is a welcome message, and if you want the pre-built message, then you can set it like this one. But I prefer using the dynamic begin message, so like it is work better compared to a rigid message. So this is our system prompt, and this is the role, and your name is Victoria, your inbound sales representative at Silver Nest Realty. This is the company name, so you can change the agent name from here and the company name from here. And this is the caller detail, so it is gonna ask their name, their phone number, their email, and other things. And this is important to book the appointment. This is the current time, so the current time is used for America, New York. So you can test it, you can change this one with another time zone if you want to. So if you are in America, let's say Los Angeles, so you just change the time zone with this. Okay, all you need to do is just change the time zone. Then these are some specific, this one are some guidelines to AI, and this is the same as the outbound one. So you can see this one is to provide the details from the knowledge base, and these are the overall things and instructions to our AI model to teach them. Like this one is to run the transfer call function to transfer the call, and if the conversation is ended, so this will run the end call function to end the call. And yeah, so it's all about that. Then there are some notes, so it will make the conversation better and real. We are teaching AI how it has to say words, and overall, like, we are teaching AI. And these are some important note, like, don't get too excited, because sometimes what happen, AI get too excited. That's why we are using this one for that. Then this one is to confirm their email address once they are going to spell it out. Then never repeat anything once say it, and don't mention any function being called. So like, we have to teach everything to our AI agent so that they can work as better as possible. Otherwise they will make lots of mistakes, and we don't want that. And of course we don't want that, so we are using every single line in our prompt to make things better. So yeah, this is for that. And this is the start time and end time. So this is a JSON structure to book the appointment, so we are giving an example for that. And this is the execution message, which is going to be okay. So yeah, you can do that. And yeah, so that's the overall thing. Then you can see there is one more thing, which is edit prompt tree. So just click on this one, and you can see there are two states. Number one state is intro, and another state is book call. So just click on the intro state, and you can add a new state from click on the new state button, and then you're gonna have something like this. Then change the name intro and change the name book call. And this one is the overall prompt, that you are Victoria, inbound sales representative, like overall role. And this one is the inbound call flow, which is like overall instruction. So this is the first message. Then there are some action. If they want to book an appointment, then it will book the appointment. And then you can see this one is transition, and this one is tell them about the offer if they want to more about the offer. Then yeah, there are lots of things here. So if they want to book an appointment, it will transition to the book call state. But if they want to know about the offer, then it will tell the offer. And now we are providing more things, like you can see this one is for secure follow-up meeting. So after telling them more about the offer, it will tell them to book an appointment with one of our agent, and if they agree, it is gonna ask the time and date, whatever was best for them, and then it will transition to the book call. So this is for that. Yeah. and you can see there are overall guidelines. So overall we are making the prompt as better as possible, so we don't face any issue while we are gonna receive a call from real human beings. So our next state is book call state. So name it from here book call, same as this one, because we are going to use the name in our enter state, which is going to be transition to book call. Then this is a prompt for that, but before that we need to add two function here. Click on the add button. Number one function is check calendar availability, then another one is book on the calendar. So this one is check calendar availability, name it same as this one because we are going to use this name in our system prompt. So just name it. Then this is the description for that. Now check the time slot is available or not. This is the cal.com API key, this is event ID type, and this is the time zone in which the event is made. And this is second function, which is book on the calendar. Name it from here. This is the description, book the appointment in cal1 with the preferred date and time. Again, this is the same thing, API key, event ID type, and time zone. And if you don't know, if you don't know how to get the cal.com API key, event ID type, and the time zone, then you can watch my AI dentist receptionist video in which I show you how you can get all of these details from cal.com, and then you can use it here, and yeah, you're all done with that. Then this is our of the flow of the meeting, or we can say the script. So this is the first thing, which is, can you tell me the date and time which work best for you. Then whatever time they are gonna tell, it is gonna run the check cal1 calendar to check the time slot is available or not. Then if the time slot is available, then it will run the cal1 booking to book the appointment. But if it is not available, then it will run the cal2. So we are using two functions here in our, so you can see this one is the calendar 1 check availability, and this one is calendar 2 check availability, and this one is cal1 booking, and this one is cal2 booking. This is all same, but sometimes what happen, one calendar is full, so we are using a different calendar for that, so that they can book the appointment on two different calendars. If the time slot is not available on number 1 calendar, so it will book it on the second calendar. So you can see if it is full, then it will run the second calendar and then book it on the second calendar. But if both are full, then it will ask, can you tell me a different time slot. So it is going to check again the cal1 and cal2. So, and there are some critical notes to make the conversation better. Sometimes what happen, AI actually book the call, but it will say, sorry, I faced some issue, I wasn't able to book the call, something like that. So we don't want this, so we are going to avoid these situations by using our prompt. And this one is to ask them about their email address, because of course this is an inbound call, so we don't have the agent data, so that's why we are gonna ask for their email address, and then it will spell the email address out and confirm the email address that it is correct or not. And once the user said that the email address is correct, then it is going to book the appointment on their calendar. And you can see this is a closing message. Awesome, your appointment has been booked. Is there anything else I can help you with? And if they want it, it is going to help them, otherwise it will end the call. And there are overall reminders. This is the same prompt as this one, and this is a summary for that, so it will work much more better. Okay, and that's all we need to do, and we are done with our Retell AI. Now we need to send the data from our post call analysis to our make.com, then it will add that data in the Google Sheet. Alright, so you can see this is a Google Sheet which we are using, and here is the agent name, email, company name, phone number, property sold, status, transcript, summary, and recording URL. So we are getting all of these details from our post call analysis. So first we are using the make.com for that. So this is very simple model, only two models are there. Simple scenario, you can import the make.com template, and then you can first you need to download it from my resources, then you can import it from here and just click on the save button. And once you're gonna do that, you're gonna have something like this. But first thing that you need to do is add a new webhook here, copy the address to your clipboard. Then this one is a filter here, which is for lead capture, and this one is the same as this one. We are using the same variable here and here. Sometimes it say true, but sometimes it say yes interested, so we are using both for that. And then we are using add a row model from Google Sheet, and you can add your Google account from here. Then you need to select your spreadsheet ID from here, then the sheet name, which is interested agent, then add the variable here, which is agent name, phone number, property sold, and status, the transcript, the summary, and the recording URL. and just click on the save button, and then you're done with make.com. So yeah guys, that's all we need to do in our Retell AI make.com. And if you want to know how to connect our cal.com account with Retell AI, then just watch my AI dentist video in which I explained you how you can connect your cal.com with Retell AI, which will help you to book the appointment with the help of cal.com. And what most people are doing, they are directly booking the appointment on Google Calendar. It is good actually, but for me, like sending the reminder emails and sending the SMS reminder, it is more important to increase the conversion rate. So that's why we are using that one, cal.com, to send the reminder. And if we are using a provider between the for the meeting, it will create much more better impression for us and as well as for our agents. Anyway, that's all we need to do. And yeah, we are done with our inbound voice agent. If you want to know how to build an outbound voice agent, so just watch my previous video. And if you want to work with me, then in the description there is my website link. From there you can just book a free call, and then we can discuss how we are gonna build this AI agent for your business. And I guess that's all we need to do today, and I'm gonna see you in another video with another interesting agent. Until then, bye.